Snack lovers, get ready because we are giving a taste test to the chunk Nibbles. Nibbles and Blake's. Oh wait, what? Nibbles and Blake's Orchard and Cider Mill Crunch Snack Mix. All right, we have apple cinnamon. We have s'mores. Oh, that's gonna be so good. You know, at least I hope so. Original peanut butter and chocolate. Oh my word, these flavors sound amazing. And strawberry. All right, let's try the strawberry first. So this is what it looks like. Some pieces are big, some are small. You guys can get it in the shop below. That's good. That's really good. What is your favorite flavor, guys? If you get these, come back, leave a comment, let me know what's your favorite flavor. That's good. Let's try the original. I never had these before, by the way. The OG's good as well. Man, so many. Let's try the apple cinnamon. That's gonna be interesting. Oh wow, you can really smell the cinnamon. It's like, it smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch. That's good. It's not overpowering. By the smell, I thought the flavor was going to be like really strong cinnamon. No, that's good. So far, the strawberry is my favorite, though. Let's do the peanut butter. This is probably going to be my favorite. I love anything peanut buttery. So good. Wow. That's close though. Strawberry and peanut butter, that's close. S'mores. I gotta have another one. Because the one piece we had was, I think, just like a solid graham cracker. Got mini marshmallows in there. That's good. Alright. So, again, get them in the link below. It should pop up on the video or be in the comment section. My favorite, peanut butter. Second, strawberry. Third, s'mores. Fourth, original. And fifth is the apple cinnamon. But they're all really good. I like them all. Like, I don't think anybody's going to get these and think, oh, they're not good. I really don't. Leave a comment. What is your favorite flavor? And if you guys make a video, tag me. Tag me in your video review. I'd love to come watch it. Now here comes the problem. How am I going to not eat a whole bag at one time? Like, seriously, they are that good. And I have a problem. When I get candy and stuff, I eat a lot of it. And here's the thing. The difference between these and the, like, Sour Gushers and stuff, these are, you know, just you almost need a sweet tooth, or you need to have that, like, want for a Sour Gusher or something like that. But these you can just eat all the time. I mean, I love them. I'm going to see if they have more flavors because they are so good.